What is emotional intelligence? At its core, EQ is the ability to understand, use, and manage your own emotions in positive ways to relieve stress, communicate effectively, empathize with others, and overcome challenges and diffuse conflict. It's about making emotions work for you, not against you. In the workplace, the ability to navigate the complex web of human emotions can be the difference between success and failure. Emotional intelligence allows us to build and maintain strong, empathetic relationships within our teams, fostering an environment where understanding and support are not just words in a handbook, but lived values. Why is it important, you may ask? Because businesses don't operate in a vacuum. Behind every decision, strategy, and innovation are people. People are driven by emotions, aspirations, and the need for connection. When leaders and teams operate with high EQ, they create a culture of empathy and understanding where every member feels seen, heard, and valued. So how do we enhance EQ in our teams? It begins with self-awareness. Encourage your team's members to engage in introspection. Understanding our own emotions is the first step to understanding the emotions of others. Next is self-regulation. Teach the importance of thinking before acting and the power of taking a moment to process emotions constructively. This isn't about suppressing emotions, but about expressing them in a manner that's beneficial to oneself and others. Empathy is the cornerstone of EQ. Foster an environment where the team members actively listen and put themselves in each other's shoes. This doesn't mean agreeing with everyone, but understanding the diverse perspectives and emotional experiences within your team. And finally, hone those social skills. Effective communication, conflict resolution, and the ability to inspire and influence positively are all byproducts of EQ. These tools turn challenges into opportunities for growth and conflict into collaboration. Cultivating emotional intelligence within our teams is not just an investment in a more harmonious workplace, but a strategic move towards greater innovation, resilience, and success. As leaders, entrepreneurs, and visionaries, let's transform our workplaces not just into spaces where we work, but into environments where we can grow, thrive, and bring out the best in each other. The future of business is emotionally intelligent, and it starts with us here today.